Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Tinder account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all, access your Tinder app right there in your mobile phone. Once you have got, so what you're gonna do afterwards is simply gonna go ahead, you will find this kind of interface in the home section, right? You're gonna go ahead, tap on this up profile icon given below right corner. Now once you have seen your profiles including all settings on the option, you can go ahead, tap on the settings icon given on top right corner. Once you have done so, you can simply go ahead, scroll down till you find this option called delete account below the logout as well. Simply go ahead, tap on this delete account option, and this will show you two options called pause my account and delete my account for you to change your mind from Tinder itself. Go ahead, tap on the delete my account option, and now you gotta choose a reason for you why you would like to. So let's say you need a break from Tinder. Now once you have done so, you can tap on this delete my account option and tap on this got it option. You can see account deleted, and then you can see once we have done the process, our account is officially deleted right over there. So this is the way, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.